to another trail camera pickup video. Going back into our same area that we've been getting a lot of good stuff on. I'm gonna cut back here a little bit and show you the last trail cam location where we set out this trail cam for this past week. Thought it was going to pan out better than it actually did, but we got a lot more rain and the area just stayed really wet. We did get one little visitor to the cam. Show you that right now. Okay, good luck. See you in a week. So Christmas morning, going out to check the cam. Fresh, all fresh hog rootings here. And this is right by the gate. They've been in here just today or last night. So we'll keep our eye out for them. You can usually hear them way before you can see them. They're noisy. Got this location marked, and if you want to know an easy way to mark your trail cam if you don't have a GPS, just open up your maps and let it find your location, and then just hit the I parked here, and that'll save your location. You can share that to your computer. And you can import that location into Google Earth and show a pattern of where you set cameras, and you can leave notes on how they did on your Google Earth. On those pins you can leave notes so you can see how it trends over time. So that's what I've been doing. I parked here on my phone and then sharing that to my email so I can see a trend of where I've been going over time. You know, I may forget all the different what we got in different locations each time, so that's kind of creating a log. So that's what I'm doing, just for my general information. All right, let's get up out of here. And I took the SD card, switched them out, so we'll go look at them on the computer, see what we got at the first location on the main trail. Alright. Well, I thought this place would dry up a little bit, but you can see, raining some more. So we'll check, see what you got. Getting anything good, leave you here. If not, I'm going to move you up higher and drier. So we didn't have much hope that the area was going to dry out that much, and You know, these animals rather stay high and dry if they can. So I moved it back up higher and drier, up near where the pines and the oaks meet the swamp, to a higher and drier area. I did that 5 days ago. So these are very short durations these cameras are in the woods. We're gonna hike down in there, we're gonna see what's on it, and change the card out, bring that back. Probably gonna leave it there if it's doing good. If not, gonna maybe move it somewhere else. Maybe back on that main trail, get some better, a little closer pictures of. Oh, I gotta do our gate jumping here. Oh. Maybe get some better pictures of stuff on the main trail. I've been worried that someone would take my camera if I put it out there, but we might be able to find a place where it's not so obvious and camo it up pretty good. So how did you do? Let's check you out. Alright, so we got all the way back up here to the truck, and I just noticed this. Somebody drove through it. That is one big pile of poop right there. Does not look like hog poop. Could possibly be bear. I mean, that's right next to the truck. Usually bear's gonna have a lot of seeds and stuff, but you can tell there's little gnats all over it. Makes me wonder what's back in there we don't know about yet.